Hey there. In this video, I am going to demonstrate what images act like to a screen reader when you have provided alt text. So the previous video showed you what it looked like if you do not provide alt text, where it just kind of reads out the file name, and now I have added alt text to my code, and I'll show you what that does.
Cat pictures. Heading 1, in CodePen, image with alt text. In CodePen, image with alt text.
Okay, so I've enabled TalkBack by holding in both volume buttons, and let me swipe right to sort of navigate around.
Check out these cat pictures.
And I am going to swipe right one more time to sort of highlight the first picture there.
A grouchy cat lit by the sun. Graphic.
And because I have provided alt text, TalkBack describes the image. In this case, it's kind of a grouchy cat lit by the sun. And that's way more informative than the file name, which can be, kind of random depending on the system that you're using. So I'm going to swipe one more time to go to the next image.
A cat sitting in a hammock. Graphic.
And, the description of a cat sitting in a hammock is way more informative than file name 123.jpg or whatever it would be. So this is the value of providing alt text, is it opens up the experience for screen reader users to, more fully participate in the thing that you are creating. So alt text is super important. So, make sure that you include it whenever you have an image tag. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you get some empathy for your screen reader users. See y'all.